So I've been given the honour of being presented with one of the manufacturer's top 100 awards and one of the top 20 influencers in manufacturing for 2019. We don't engineer for praise, we engineer to solve problems, but to be recognised by your peers as, you know, one of the top 100 is a real achievement. I think for Warren Services it means a lot. You know, we're a family manufacturing engineering business in rural Norfolk. You know, my father and mother started a business 30 years ago. You know, this puts us on the map. You know, it starts conversations. I've had some very nice, kind words about the award, and hopefully it'll start a number of conversations around work that we may be able to do for people. We've all agreed to a pledge that we will carry out in our year as being one of the Manufacturing 100. This includes pay it forward. We will nominate people for the award moving forward. We'll share our story. We'll try to close the skills gap. We'll showcase brilliant UK manufacturing, opening up the factory doors. We'll shape industry coverage, working with the manufacturer. Future-proof our business by employing apprentices. Recruit the right talent at school age, and be an active part of our community. This pledge really fits in with our company ethos. Warren Services is moving forward, embracing the new digital technology so we can offer our customers a full service. From design to manufacturing to test to installation, we can take complicated problems and solve them for our customers around the world.